The Florida Department of Transportation is reconstructing Okeechobee Road. This 10-mile corridor extends from the Broward County line to the Palmetto Expressway. There are 7 project segments. 2 projects are managed by the Florida's Turnpike Enterprise, and the remaining 5 are managed by FDOT, with 2 segments currently under construction. Construction activities began early 2022, and all work is scheduled to be completed by 2032. The estimated cost is $595 million.
Hi, I'm Colin Johnson, FDOT Construction Project Manager for the Okeechobee Road Reconstruction Project Segment 1, which extends from the Broward County line to west of Florida's Turnpike. This project includes widening of Okeechobee Road, improving the turning radius, and extending the turn lanes at all intersections. Realigning frontage roads and intersections, enhancing safety by improving the guardrails along the canal and medians, upgraded pavement marking, signalization, and lighting, installing an intelligent transportation system and a hub building. Currently, the crews are widening and paving the roadways, constructing concrete rigid pavement at various intersections, installing drainage structures, lighting pole base, and intelligent transportation system components, including a new ITS hub building. There are several traffic shifts in place, allowing the crews to maintain protected work areas.
Hi, I'm George Hoffman, FDOT Construction Project Manager for the Okeechobee Road Reconstruction Project, Segment 2, which extends from east of Northwest 107th Avenue to east of Northwest 116th Way. This project includes adding a second-level overpass on State Road 25, US 27, Okeechobee Road to cross Northwest 116th Way, providing new access ramps to and from Frontage Road and Hialeah Gardens High School, widening the roadway and the 2 bridges over the Miami Canal, improving substandard turning radii and overall traffic operations, reconstructing Okeechobee Road with concrete pavement, installing new traffic signals and reconstructing existing intersections, including intelligent transportation systems devices, providing sidewalks and bicycle lanes on Frontage Road and Northwest 116th Way, and new guardrail, medians, and shoulder concrete barrier walls on Okeechobee Road, upgrading traffic and pedestrian signage, pavement markings, signalization, and lighting. Currently, the crews are widening the roadway and installing drainage at various locations, adding retaining walls along Hialeah Gardens Boulevard, sewer pipe at Northwest South River Drive, and the deep foundation columns that will provide underground support for the Northwest 116th Way Bridge. There are several traffic shifts in place, allowing the crews to maintain protected work areas. The purpose of this project is to improve overall traffic operations and safety along Okeechobee Road.